Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, my name is Aika and I upload a lot of videos about fashion, beauty, luxury unboxings and reviews. And if you're interested in any of those, then I think you should consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red button down below. Also turn on notification bell to be notified every single time I upload something new. And as you can see, I have a lot of Dior going on behind me today, and that is because I did some damage. And if you haven't watched my previous vlog, I actually went to Dior to check out some items from the sales, and I'm gonna leave a link up here, so definitely check it out. So Dior went on sale, I think probably a couple of days ago, and my say texted me saying, listen, we have 40% off, you should come, today's the first day, maybe you'll find something you like. So I went there, and because I was vlogging, I think that was the reason I got all of these items. But because I was vlogging, I wanted to see more and more items, so I kept asking her about this and that and that. I did some damage in the end. I'm not proud of this because honestly I was trying to save up some money, but I got 2 items for my mom actually, and then the third one will be a tiny little present for someone. So I only got 2 items for myself. This is not something crazy. Disclaimer, this is not a handbag, so if you clicked here to see a new Dior handbag, then I'm so sorry to inform you that today I'm not going to be showing you any handbags, but I actually ordered one, so fingers crossed I will receive it quite soon, probably in January or beginning of February, but hopefully as soon as possible. Anyway, for now let's just focus on everything I've got right here. And before I start, if you're interested in what I'm wearing, my makeup, everything is going to be linked down in the description box. Make sure to check it out as well, and all of the items I'm showing you today will also be linked down in the description box. Okay guys, I think it's time to start because I can't wait to open up these boxes. They're so pretty and I took a bunch of different pictures with them already, so it's okay, I guess. Actually, I'm gonna take a couple more pictures and then I'll be back. Okay, so all pictures are taken and now I'm ready to start showing you everything that I have in here. Let's start with the smallest item. So it's this beautiful notebook with Dior Tote de Jour, je pense. I think that's how this print is called. It's so beautiful. It is the same print as on this little cutie. I got this one back in February of last year, so this print is actually from the previous collection, but they still have these beautiful notebooks, and I think this is such a great present to give for Christmas to anyone you love, like a friend or a relative, a girlfriend maybe. So yeah, it's just a cute little present. I know you can't really see it well because of the lighting, and also it's got the plastic cover on top of it, but I don't want to remove it because it is gonna be a gift, so I'm gonna keep it as is. But it is such a nice present, and it is not as expensive as notebooks from Louis Vuitton or Hermes, so it is pretty affordable, and I think it's just such a beautiful piece. It also has gold over here on each sheet, which is so beautiful in my opinion. These notebooks also come in red color, and I've decided to take blue because I don't know, I like blue, as you know, I love blue color, so I thought this would be such a cute little present. Now we can open, I think, the smallest little bag that I've got. It is so cute as well, and I love Dior's packaging this year. It is especially beautiful. I don't know why, I don't know how they do this, but it is honestly the most beautiful wrapping I've ever seen. Some paper inside. And then I've got this little cute box, which is so cute and so pretty. Let's open it. We've got some more paper with a sticker. And here's the little dust bag inside. I honestly loved the previous dust bags that they had with their costume jewelry, but now they changed it to this one, and as you can see, it is a little piece of costume jewelry. Oh my god, so pretty. So I got myself this beautiful earrings from Dior. I actually have a name. Let me just check it. It's on my phone. So the name of these earrings is Claire de Lune earrings, and all the earrings, like the costume jewelry earrings that I have in my collection, all come from Dior. Even this ones I'm wearing right now. I don't know why. I don't have any earrings from Chanel, from Hermes, from Louis Vuitton, nothing. It's just the Dior. I just love their jewelry so much because it is so beautiful and so classic in my opinion, and it is also so girly. So these earrings have this little crystals in them, and they're in yellow gold, which I don't actually own that many yellow gold jewelry, so I think this is so pretty. And let me just put them on so you can see how they look. Before I put this one on, I just wanted to show you a close-up of the earring, and can you see how it goes around? It is so beautiful, and this whole part is also with the little crystals, and I think it's just such a cute little touch. So I zoomed in the camera so you can see how they look on, and I think they are so beautiful and very elegant. On my wish list, I actually talked about new costume jewelry earrings that I wanted to buy, but I think I chose a different pair, and I also chose some from Chanel, but I didn't see these ones because they're a part of the new collection, and when I saw them in the store, I just knew that I had to get them because they're so pretty and they look so nice on the ears. I love how it goes around the ear with the little crystals. I think they are such a nice piece. So now let's move on to the next item, and I think I'll open this one. Actually, I'm gonna say that this and this box have the same items inside, but one is for me and the other one is for my mom. So let's open. Yes guys, it's a bucket hat. Okay, I'll put the box in here. So I got this bucket hat. It is called Teddy D CD oblique small brim bucket hat. It has such a long name, but this is what it looks like. Honestly speaking, I wasn't sure if I'll be able to get it in the blue because I know these ones came out back in summer, I believe, and they were so hot and it was impossible to get the hat because they were just sold out like crazy. But first one to get obsessed with the hat was actually my mom. When she came to Geneva, we actually went to the store to ask if they had any, and they didn't have anything. And again, when my SA texted me that they had sales right now, my mom asked me to check out if they had any hats on sale, and no, these hats weren't on sale, sadly. I had to pay full price, but the thing is that they were actually available. I know this is not for everyone. I know this is not everybody's cup of tea. Some of you, I know guys, hate these hats, but I don't know why, but I kind of like it, and especially if I get a bag in the blue oblique, I think these two items will look so nice together, and I can see myself wearing this with a cute little dress or maybe a t-shirt and a pair of jeans or shorts. Having such good quality timeless accessories, I think very not important, but it's very nice to sort of zhuzh up your outfit and to make it look even more elevated and even nicer. These two hats, like this one and my mom's one in here, were the last two hats that they had in store. And funny thing that they just received them, so they didn't have them 2 weeks ago, but they had them now, and it was such a coincidence that I passed by the store and asked for them. It is so cool. It is a reversible hat, so you can wear it in blue, but it's gonna be like plain blue color, and then you'll have a little bit of oblique on the brim, or you can turn it around and wear as an oblique, but you'll have to remove the little tag. Let me show you how it looks. I have my hair clips, but this is what it looks like, and I think it looks so cute. I was leaning towards a different hat with a bigger brim, and it is a part of the new collection with the camouflage, and it's not reversible, so you only had oblique on the inner side, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to get that one because I feel like the camouflage style is a little bit more seasonal, whereas this one is a timeless piece, and I know it's gonna be on trend forever. What do you think, guys? I know, again, it's not for everyone, but I really do love it. And this material is quite thick, so I wanted to try putting a pin, like a little brooch in here, but I was afraid of ruining the hat and leaving like two holes, giant holes in here, so that's why I've decided not to. But I think if I'll wear it like this, I would love to try putting a pin in here, like a Dior brooch or maybe a Chanel brooch or something. And let me show you how it looks on the other side. So I'll obviously will have to remove the tags, but it's not going to be a problem. This is what it looks like. So that's the other side. What do you think, guys? I know many of you must be hating me right now or thinking that I'm crazy. Maybe I am, but I wanted to add more accessories. I think I'm almost good with handbags and shoes, so now it's time for accessories, really. Let's open my mom's box. It's the same hat, but her size is a little bit smaller. Yeah. You see, will be matchy with my mom. So now we have one last box left. I am trying to be as careful as possible. Okay. So here's the last item, and this is another mom's item that I bought for her. This is so pretty, and I actually got this on sale. So it's another hat that I showed on my vlog. She got the same one but in black back home, but she decided to give it to my sister as that one is the same size as mine and my sister's hat is the same size as mine. So she's getting the black one, and since my mom wanted a black one for her coat, I saw this one on sale and I showed it to her, and I told her that this one will be more suitable for winter time because it is a part of the fall-winter collection, and I think it will look a lot nicer with her coat. She has the Louis Vuitton coat in black with a gray monogram, whereas this hat in black has actually the oblique in the brown color, so it doesn't really match with the coat. So I told her that this one will look so much better, and this is also the rabbit hair. So it's not wool, but it's rabbit hair, and inside lining is all silk, and it's got the little bee on the inside. It's pretty simple. So this hat is called Dior Artificial Tulip Hat. Yeah, again, another long name, but it is just plain black hat with a little trim in here, and then a little Dior over here, which I think is a very cute. It is at the back, so it doesn't scream Dior, and it is a little bit small on my head, but yeah, that's too small on my head, especially with the hair clips. It's just impossible to put it on my head, but it is very beautiful. You can see me, I think you can see me trying this hat in the store in my vlog, yeah, which you should definitely watch. So I think it will look so nice with her coat. Yes, let me tell you all the prices. So the original price of the hat was, I think, 860, but with 40% off I got it for 515 Swiss francs, something like that, and Swiss francs is the same as the US dollars. So that's the price for this hat. And then the price for the like thinner summer hats, I paid 680 Swiss francs for each. And then the earrings I showed you were 370 Swiss francs, and the little notebook was 55, which a really good price. So guys, this is everything I bought in Dior. I honestly wasn't planning to buy anything, so when I was at the cashier, I only picked up 2 hats for my mom, and then I just asked her if they had my size by any chance, so maybe I could buy it for myself. And then she said yes. I tried it on, I loved it, and I had to take it. And then the very last minute I've decided to take a look at some of the costume jewelry pieces, and I fell in love with the earrings that I bought. And then at the very end, I just had one question. I asked her if they had any like Christmas calendars, because I saw so many in the UK and the US, but I didn't see any in Geneva, so I was curious if they had any. So I asked her about the calendar, but I guess it's not popular in here. So she said, well, no, we only have the notebook. And she showed me the notebook, and I immediately knew that I had to buy it for my friend. And yeah, I hope she's not watching this video, because she'll know it's for her. And anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.